And now, your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Cameron Hoffman. Weather from where you live.
Plenty of activity yesterday. Today, a much different story, but yesterday we had those strong winds, wind gusts as high as 62 miles per hour just northwest of Lafayette, and then large hail as well. We saw golf ball sized hail out of Frankfort yesterday afternoon and evening. A different story for the rest of the week, though. Things are going to be calming down. We're going to be seeing cooler temperatures as well begin to filter on in. A secondary cold front will begin to move on in throughout tomorrow. That's going to drop our temperatures quite a bit for the rest of the week. 48 degrees out there right now. Winds out of the south 1 mile per hour, gusting up to near 8 so far this morning. That's a much different story than that 62 mile per hour wind gust we saw yesterday. Now, precision showing all that rain off to our south. We're staying dry and clear, and we could see an isolated shower or two throughout the day thanks to that system to our south. But here's that cold front that continues to drop further to the south quite slowly. Now, the system as a whole moving pretty quickly. Storms yesterday were moving to the northeast around 50 miles per hour, and that's pretty quick for a storm system. But as a whole, the frontal system only going to the southeast quite slowly. Our next weather maker up to our northwest, the low pressure system sitting over the Great Plains right now. You really can't see it, but we are going to be seeing a low begin to sweep on in, bringing a cold front along with it, and that's going to bring a chance for some more rain shower, or rather some cooler temperatures into our area for the rest of the week. Mostly cloudy conditions throughout the day today, maybe breaking at times to see partly cloudy conditions, but for the most part we are going to be seeing overcast skies. And then overnight tonight we do cool down quite a bit. That secondary cold front begins to move on in. We're going to be seeing temperatures fall into near freezing temperatures, and then by tomorrow high temperatures only in the mid 40s. So things really cooling down here over the next few days. Much of the same story for Thursday as well. We're going to be seeing sunny conditions both Wednesday and Thursday, and then by Friday more clouds begin to move on in and things begin to warm up once again. 63 for your high temperature today. Clouds decreasing slightly throughout the day. Winds out of the southwest. That's what's going to be keeping temperatures above average for this time of the year. 61 Winamac, 62 for Remington later on this afternoon. 36 degrees overnight tonight. Some areas could get down near freezing at times. Winds out of the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. 34 Winamac, 35 Burlington overnight, and then 44 for your high temperature tomorrow. So we go from temperatures well above average, about 10 to 15 degrees above average, to about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year come tomorrow afternoon. Winds out of the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Things will be staying dry for at least the near future. By Saturday, we are looking at another chance of rainfall late Saturday night into early Sunday, and then maybe even a chance for some wintry mix come next Monday.
A little bit of everything this week.
A little bit of everything this week, and temperatures are going to be cooling down, but still a pretty nice week in store for us.
All right, thanks, Cameron.